In this video, you will practice 100 simple English sentences using English shadowing practice. I will speak slowly and clearly. You will listen, you will repeat, and you will shadow my voice. This practice will help you speak English more confidently and naturally. Hello and welcome to Voice Nest English, where English becomes simple, clear, and easy to speak. Let's begin. How to practice. Listen carefully, repeat after me, then shadow my voice. Part 1. Daily life sentences. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I get ready for the day. I get ready for the day. I go to work or school. I go to work or school. I walk slowly and calmly. I walk slowly and calmly. I listen to music while walking. I listen to music while walking. I come back home in the evening. I come back home in the evening. I relax after a long day. I relax after a long day. Part 2. Speaking confidence sentences. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I speak English slowly. I speak English slowly. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I try again and again. I try again and again. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I can speak English clearly. I can speak English clearly. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. Practice makes me better. Practice makes me better. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Part 3. Common conversation sentences. How are you today? How are you today? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I am practicing English. I am practicing English. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I don't understand this word. I don't understand this word. Can you repeat that again? Can you repeat that again? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. You are very kind. You are very kind. I think in English slowly. I think in English slowly. I don't translate in my head. I don't translate in my head. I focus on simple words. I focus on simple words. I speak one sentence at a time. I speak one sentence at a time. I stay calm while speaking. I stay calm while speaking. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak clearly and confidently. I speak clearly and confidently. My English is improving. My English is improving. I can feel the progress. I can feel the progress. I am happy with my learning. I am happy with my learning. I would like some water, please. I would like some water, please. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Is this seat free? Is this seat free? What time does it open? What time does it open? I am looking for this place. I am looking for this place. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. Learning takes time. Learning takes time. I move step by step. I move step by step. I don't compare myself with others. I don't compare myself with others. I focus on progress, not perfection. I focus on progress, not perfection. Every day I improve a little. Every day I improve a little. I will not give up. I will not give up. I enjoy this learning journey. I enjoy this learning journey. English is becoming easier for me. English is becoming easier for me. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Great job, my friend. You have completed this English shadowing practice. Remember, speaking English becomes easier when you practice slowly and daily. Come back and practice again. Repeat these sentences every day. If you found this practice helpful, subscribe to Voice Nest English for more slow and clear English speaking practice. Keep practicing, keep improving, and step by step, you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Take care.